Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's move to California in 2020 marked a significant shift in their lives, as they distanced themselves from royal duties and sought a fresh start. However, the promise of a more peaceful existence has been overshadowed by a series of legal battles and personal challenges, drawing widespread attention and controversy. Their legal struggles have spanned both the United States and the UK, touching on issues of privacy, security, and the couple's ongoing battle for control over their personal lives. In the US, Prince Harry has been particularly vocal about his concerns for his family's safety, especially given the intense media scrutiny and the threats that come with their high profile. His quest for police protection in the US has led to significant legal confrontations, particularly after Homeland Security denied his request for such measures, deeming them unnecessary. This decision has not sat well with Harry, who has continued to fight for what he sees as essential protection for his family. The legal wrangling has only added to the tension and uncertainty surrounding their situation in the U.S. One of the most talked about incidents in their ongoing legal saga occurred during a federal court deposition in California. During this deposition, Harry was asked to provide basic personal details, including the birth date of his son, Archie. Shockingly, Harry struggled to recall the correct date, a moment that sent ripples through the courtroom. The judge overseeing the case responded sharply, underscoring the importance of such details in understanding the gravity of Harry's security concerns. The failure to provide this basic information did not go unnoticed and has been interpreted by many as a sign of Harry's increasing disconnection from the realities of his life in the U.S. The tension in the courtroom escalated as Harry's frustration boiled over. His agitation during questioning culminated in an emotional outburst, where he shouted at the judge, disrupting the proceedings. This outburst was more than just a moment of frustration. It was a glimpse into the deep emotional strain that Harry appears to be under. Legal experts have weighed in, suggesting that such displays of emotion, coupled with his inability to recall essential details, have likely harmed his credibility in the eyes of the court. This incident has cast a shadow over his case, making it harder for him to be seen as a rational and reliable complainant. The public and media reaction to these developments has been intense. Harry's inability to remember his son's birth date has been seized upon by critics as evidence of his increasingly erratic behavior. The incident has fueled debates about Harry's state of mind, with some questioning whether he is fully aware of the consequences of his actions. The emotional outburst in court has only added to the perception that Harry is struggling to manage the pressures of his new life in America. This courtroom drama is just one chapter in a much larger story of Harry and Meghan's attempt to redefine their roles outside of the British monarchy. Their move to the U.S. was supposed to be a fresh start, but it has instead led to a series of high-profile legal battles and public controversies. The couple's struggle for privacy and security has been a central theme in their narrative, but incidents like this deposition have complicated their public image. The question now is what impact these legal setbacks will have on Harry and Meghan's future. With their credibility under scrutiny and their legal battles far from over, the couple faces an uphill struggle to regain control of their narrative. The courtroom incident, in particular, has left a lasting impression, one that could shape public perceptions of Harry for years to come. The media attention surrounding this case shows no signs of abating. Every move Harry and Meghan make is dissected and analyzed, and this latest incident has only intensified the spotlight on them. The legal battles, once seen as a necessary step in protecting their family, are now being viewed as a potential liability, threatening to undermine the very security and peace they have been fighting to achieve. In the end, Harry's courtroom outburst and his failure to recall basic details about his son have done more than just damage his legal case. They have raised serious questions about his judgment and his ability to navigate the complex and often hostile environment of American legal and media landscapes. As the couple continues to fight for their rights and their security, they do so under a cloud of doubt, with the world watching closely.